Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a large saucepan, combine sugar and water. Heat until sugar is dissolved. Stir in juice. Simmer for 5 minutes and then allow to cool to room temperature. Pour in entire bottle of vodka, then divide liquid between the jars.
Take our lead.
Cointreau. Cointreau is the world's best-known triple sec, and while constituently excellent, so are other more affordable brands such as De Kuyper's Triple Sec. I'm talking about the Dutch product produced by the De Kuyper family rather than the stuff available in the US, which is owned and produced by Beam Suntory.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Triple Sec is an orange-flavored liqueur made from dried orange peels. You can drink it neat as an after-dinner treat, but it's typically added to popular cocktails like a Long Island iced tea, Cosmo, Kamikaze and Sidecar. Drinking Triple Sec alone is not tasty business.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.